Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Instant Pot Pro 8 Cutie Multi-Use Pressure Cooker, a sleek, all-in-one kitchen appliance that promises to replace multiple gadgets and save you time, energy, and space in the kitchen. If you're looking for a family-sized cooking companion that delivers on performance and style, this video is for you. The Instant Pot Pro isn't just another pressure cooker. It's an advanced, multi-use appliance that combines 10 cooking functions into one powerful device. With the ability to pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, steam, sterilize, make yogurt, cook rice, bake, or simply keep food warm, it covers everything from everyday meals to special recipes. But what makes it stand out? The Pro model brings together all of Instant Pot's most loved features, with 28 customizable smart programs and 5 one-touch favorites that make meal prep easier than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this pot adapts to your style. Let's break down the key features. White heavy checkmark customizable smart programs. With 28 one-touch options, you can cook everything from soups and rice to cakes and yogurt with precision and ease. White heavy checkmark faster cooking. Thanks to its upgraded design, the Instant Pot Pro preheats 20% faster and cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Dinner is always ready in record time. White heavy checkmark convenient steam release. No more worrying about pressure release. The gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover make it safer and quieter than ever. White heavy checkmark family size capacity. With an 8-quart size, it can prepare up to 8 servings in one go. Perfect for families, batch cooking, or entertaining. White heavy checkmark quick cleanup. The stainless steel inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after cooking is never a hassle. White heavy checkmark safety first. Equipped with features like an auto-sealing safety lid, overheat protection, and easy grip handles, the Pro keeps your cooking stress-free. White heavy checkmark extra accessories. You'll also get an extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer with handles, giving you even more cooking flexibility. This powerhouse operates at 1,400 watts. Designed for reliable performance every single day. Its durable build and elegant black finish make it not just practical, but stylish enough to sit proudly on your countertop. With dimensions of 14.4 inches long, 13.9 inches wide, and 14.2 inches tall, it fits comfortably in most kitchens without taking up too much space. And thanks to its large, easy-to-read LCD display, you'll always know what's cooking at a glance. The Instant Pot Pro 8 Cutie Multi-Use Pressure Cooker truly lives up to its name. All pros, no cons. With versatile cooking options, faster performance, smart safety features, and easy cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for busy families and home cooks alike. If you're ready to make meal prep easier, faster, and more enjoyable, the Instant Pot Pro might just be the smartest upgrade for your kitchen. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more honest product reviews, and drop a comment below if you've used the Instant Pot Pro or if you're planning to get one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.